site because these diners are about to take flight.
Look off to the right, you can see what was Primeval World, what's left.
Now please stay seated until your TriceraTops comes to a complete stop. Then make sure you have all your belongings and walk to the exit gate.
Thank you for spinning with us, everyone. Now go ahead and gather all your personal belongings to follow those signs to that one and only exit.